Suba is the specialist in custom plastic components. Since 2007, we've been driven by our passion for producing high-quality plastic parts for industries such as machinery, infrastructure, agriculture, access technology, the food industry, and packaging. Our strength? Technical expertise, personal service, and a team of skilled professionals who think along with you. We deliver tailor-made solutions, whether in small or large series, exactly as you need them. Sustainable and socially responsible entrepreneurship comes naturally to us. We recycle much of our waste streams, support local initiatives, and create opportunities for people distanced from the labour market. Your technical drawing is our starting point. Using our proprietary Suba software and advanced CAD/CAM software, we plan, program, simulate and realise each product efficiently and precisely. In our modern workshop, everything revolves around precision and flexibility. It starts with the careful preparation of materials. Our skilled professionals work with a state-of-the-art machine park, from sawing and profiling to lathe and milling, allowing us to carry out a wide range of operations. With multiple milling and lathe machines, including automated systems with robots and cobots, we produce efficiently and switch quickly between jobs. This combination of technology and craftsmanship ensures we deliver the quality you expect. Every product is thoroughly checked for dimensions and finish. We then package and ship everything with care. We can also manage part of your inventory and deliver directly from stock. At Suba, we have short lines of communication and a down-to-earth approach. Clear communication, reliable agreements, and full commitment from start to finish. That's what you can expect from us. Do you have a plastics challenge? We're ready with knowledge, experience, and dedication. Suba, your product, our passion.